I know you're not supposed to question God. So I'm grateful for the life He's given me. I'm so grateful. I'm alive and I'm living a dream. I'm living my dreams. Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Delta Airlines flight.
Sensational, what's in that for you, girl? And I know, I know for you, love like a riddle, yeah. Give me that blues on a riddle. Oh wow, oh that is a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, can be bitch on me, love her till the morning, nah, nah, nah. Love her till the nighttime, nah, nah, nah. I don't need nobody, yeah. Give me body, I don't tell nobody, yeah. I think that she West Coast. Now she want me Poolside, so me Poolside, but I guess she West Coast. You see it's obvious, sensational, yeah. But tonight for you, girl. And I know, for you, love like a riddle, yeah. Give me that blues on a riddle. Oh wow, oh that is a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, can be bitter, this one's.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Arabia. If you're not, welcome back to the vibes. We are in St. Martin. We just got in the room. It's currently like 4:30ish, going on 5. We're about to get ready to go to dinner. We did get something to eat real quick because we had the longest travel day that you could even think about. Like, not gonna lie, it was literally from 2 a.m. till now. I just gave you guys a room tour. We're about to unpack and get ourselves situated. The resort is really cute. This is my first time in St. Martin, so I'm excited. My birthday's on Wednesday. You know, we're just about to have a good time. It's not a small island. Well, maybe it is a small island. I'm not sure. No, it's a big island. I don't know. But the hotel is like, it's like a super clean aesthetic. It's very like what you need, and that's it. We did watch a lot of like YouTube videos, TikToks, and a lot of people said it was nice. So it is nice. It's just not like what I'm used to, I would say. But it definitely gets the job done. I could stay anywhere that's clean. So long as it's clean, we good. But we're going to a place tonight called Rainbow Cafe. It's about, I think it's on the other side of the island. It's about 25 to 30 minutes away. We're doing that for the first night. You know, cute, chill vibes. I was gonna do my makeup, but now I'm not. I'm gonna just do a little something. Y'all look at my lashes. I'm literally picking them off by the second because I don't know. I just really don't know. They still look good though. As far as like you being able to tell, they're just like a little extra. But yep, so we had like a super long travel day. It's very humid out here, like very humid, very windy, very just stiff. But I'm excited to see what it brings, you know. The food that we had at the I think it's called Sunset Bar, we just went there. We got some like barbecue chicken, this thing called Johnny Cakes, and rice and guac. It was pretty good. It was like a 8, 7, like, you know, around those numbers. But I'm about to unpack And I will talk to you guys later once I'm dressed. I'm not gonna record getting ready because it's literally crunch. So we're on our way to dinner finally after we pushed the reservation back 3 times. I didn't really even show y'all my outfit, but you know what's given. You already know. You already know. So we're on our way there, and I will talk to you guys when we get there. Yep. We have this really nice driver named Jean.
John?
Yes.
French.
Hey guys, today is the next day, the next morning. We're about to go to the market and get some stuff. I just have on this dress from Pretty Little Things. It's okay, I'm like forcing myself to wear it. My earrings are open edit. Amazon. My regular jewelry, and then I just have on my regular lip combo. I curled my hair today because it was just waving up anyway from being straight. But yep, this is it. But I will see you guys in a little bit.
Another banger, baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, you put in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom, phantom. If I tell you say I love you, no day for me, young girl, oh young girl. No tell me no, 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 oh, 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 oh. Baby, come give me your
So we found a place that has breakfast. It's so cute. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like on the beach front. I'm gonna get an omelet and some fruit, and we're gonna just enjoy this water. I don't know if this is the water brand, but it's really good. It's good. Either I'm thirsty or it's good. We did go to the market and get some waters and like bottles and stuff. And I got my homegirl today, so I'm really just but I'm trying my best. I don't know why I always got sick crisscross applesauce. Or I just didn't like it. Yeah.
Like I said, it's very unlike you to miss it.
It had to be something that I did not like. Yeah, let me see that.
Well, part of it is like for people who have time to care. but then the other part is the new part. I was gonna say, because she's a serial checker. This is not something that she does.
I took everything from my credit card. Was like, whatever y'all decide. It was the first one that came up. I looked at it.
How's the pace?
It's okay.
It better have been hot.
So everything is booked and ready for tomorrow. Ouch. Life is just rough right now. Everything's booked for tomorrow. We're getting ready to go to the pool. My bathing suit is from Fashion Nova. I won't show y'all the bottoms. The bottoms just literally look the same. And I'm gonna put on, finally using my Patrick top. I'm only gonna put a little bit because it's humid out here and it's giving 0%. This is what it looks like. And where's my little, I just got this little sponge that I put all my body balm powder things on. Let's see what the hype's about.
Let's see what it looks like.
I feel like I'm just naturally already a glowy person.
Yeah.
Like I feel like I'm just already like this.
I mean, yeah, it doesn't. I don't feel like it makes a difference for you, honestly. But it is glowy.
I don't feel like it's like worth the money.
I don't.
Not worth the money for me. I feel like it's nice, but
I don't think it was anything groundbreaking.
I'm a natural glower. Let me see if I do it like this. Yeah, no. I'm just blessed, you know, God's favorite. My tans really just be already tan.
Yeah.
Yeah, this was a waste.
Yeah.
I give it like an 8 because it does feel nice on, but personally, I don't need it. So that's that. And then it's just my cover up from Fashion Nova. There was a time, I know probably you wouldn't believe this, but there was a time where I hated Fashion Nova. It was when Fashion Nova first came out. And I was just like, I ain't wearing them cheap clothes. But honestly, over the years, I feel like Fashion Nova got so much better. I used to be like a Pretty Little Things fast fashioner. Yeah. Yeah. And then this is my hair. And we're going to catch a vibe. I just had the worst. And my nail came off. I had to glue it back on. I just had like a rough 30 minutes. The first boat people canceled us. But can't break me down. This is what it looks like. The bottoms. So we just made drinks in our cups. My glasses are from Amazon. And we are going away outside.
Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me...
Tired, like I have to go to bed so bad. The boat is tomorrow. And I just want to chill. I say that today. I keep saying, I just want to chill. And then I'm drunk. Like... Morning, we're on our way to the boat, and this is my outfit. This shirt is from Casablanca. Skirt is Pretty Little Things. Bathing suit's Pretty Little Things. Glasses are Amazon. Hat is Pretty Little Things, and that's it. We are headed out now. I was gonna take my bag that I brought for this outfit, but it's too small and I just got a lot going on. So I'm gonna take our glasses for the boat, and I will see you guys on the boat.
I know if you fight kung fu, but I go fight for you. I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. I know if you die for you, ladies, but I'll live my life for you. I got my eyes on you. You got vibes on you. Jack, I love we could go on a vacation, have fun maybe all night long. Jack, I love we could go on a vacation, have fun maybe all night long.
Guys, it's so beautiful out here. I'm just relaxing right now. I'm sitting on this little... Okay. We're going back to the cockpit now. Gotta go. Yeah.
I get money like bastard. You know, feel it's my last card. I want to know your cash. Oh, you want to make me do shit, no? Cause your body's heavy, love me. 1, 2, 3, 4. I stand baking it for you. Anytime, you know, I go there for you. Shane, you know, I'm writing a song for you. And you know, I do another one for you. Yeah, kinda shit.
Hey guys, so it's later. It's like almost 4 o'clock. We just got to this restaurant called Astra. It was right next to where we docked the boat at. And we're about to get something to eat before we head back to the hotel. And I don't even know what this place has. Thank you. Oh, they got my favorite water, Aquafina. Woo. Yeah, y'all. So we was on a boat. It was fun. A boat is always fun, though. Had to put his hair up. Woo. I took some medicine. Who is this calling me?
And one day. I'm dying to a child.
Y'all, it's almost my birthday. It's almost my birthday. That means we gotta take a shot. Y'all, I jumped off the boat, so I had to wear my hair wavy because, honey, she was not giving nothing. But we gotta take a shot because it's almost my birthday. It's almost my birthday. If you know me, you know, you already know. You already know. It's Patron or nothing. I don't want no Casa nothing, no Julios and Bulios. Patron.
Here you go with this little jig.
Cheers. Right. My birthday at 9 o'clock.
Yeah, we gotta get turned. Now cheers. Come on, get your chaser.
I'm too old for this shit.
Alright, come on.
It's almost my birthday. Oh my god. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. Patrick towel on the body. Oh, I'm getting paparazzi. This two-piece from Zara. And then this is Ego shoes. Whatever. You know, Ego got the best dupes or whatever. Earrings, Trip the Boss Lady on Instagram.
Okay, period.
And yeah.
What's she giving? Cunt. She giving bad bitch. She giving everything nice, spice, everything nice.
Yeah.
Look at her, y'all. Alright, don't mind our business. Don't be in our business.
Patrick towel on the glow.
This is such a cute
I
video.
gotta go.
No, do that one more time. Do it one more time. Do it one more time. Look. Yeah. That's fire.
Alright, let's go. Come on, I gotta go outside.
And I know, give me that blues on the rhythm. Oh wow, life is a little. Life's really sweet, can be bitter. But she be way I jump on NYC. We give it, you got the best I've seen. Steady, ready, I start singing. Sweetie, my baby, you're my kid, guys.
So good. Like,
It's a spiritual.
their food is so fresh.
These little wings. Look how little the wings are. They look.
That's how the wings should look in America, and they don't. They do not. We never used to have them big ass wings.
we got these
Now our wings be doing push-ups and shit. Like we cool off of that. I don't know.
Yeah.
Spring roll. We got spring rolls, shrimp tempura, tuna dip, tuna tartare dip, Korean wings, regular wings.
This is so good.
Yeah, I called my brother and I started crying. Wow, I did mess up my makeup. I just love my brother because we just been through so much together. It's just like a new year really calls for reflection. That's your drink, right? Really calls for reflection. Cheers. Cheers to
27.
27.
Living through a lot.
This is gonna be the year of consistency, the year of what I want, the year of life, the year of family, the year of more money, of course. Always more money. If you know me, the money moves me, babe. The money definitely moves me. But cheers to everything, guys. cheers to everything. And I will talk to you guys maybe tomorrow, because I'm gonna enjoy my last couple hours of being 26.
I'm always happy when I'm surrounded by water. The ocean makes me feel really small, and it puts my whole life into perspective. It reminds me, okay, I'm this very little piece of this huge earth, and it humbles you and it grounds you, and it makes me feel almost like I've been baptized. And
happy birthday to me. Y'all, we are currently in the airport because I missed my boat this morning to go to St.Barths, and we was going to St.Barths. So we brought a plane ticket to go on the plane, and we are just gonna act like none of that happened this morning.
Get out my mind.
I am so chaotic. Look at my earrings. It's giving the girls what they want. Y'all, somebody just said I was ghetto. And if y'all know me, that's the furthest word to describe me. Then she called me ghetto in this outfit. This is Zimmerman. Are you dumb?
I'm not even thinking about her non-existent ponytail.
Look at the outfit, y'all. Oh. I think
you got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now, child, child. Yeah, she making that shake, breaking that bait till her back break. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She don't want Hallmark, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no one ever pressed decline. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. Return policies can't be mine. Nah, nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child.
happy birthday.
Oh
Okay. We're gonna cheers to the new. I can't even talk, I'm so tired. Wait. Let's start over. Cheers to more life, more money, more success, more peace. Your girl's getting old. Woo. And cheers to my mama. hotel. No, they don't replace washcloths, towels, nothing unless you ask. And the staff is so rude here. Like, they're so rude. I lost my phone also yesterday, and I'm not saying that it's the staff's problem, but I feel like if you work in customer service, then you should be servicing your customer. And they just really suck here. Like, they really, really suck here. I would never come back here. And they're just rude as fuck. And this hotel is not even all that. So all the girlies that be on TikTok hyping up the Morgan, this shit is trash. Y'all don't know real luxury, because this is not it. This is a hot ass mess. This is what a coulda shoulda. This is that's what this is. Like, it looks beautiful, don't get me wrong, but when you get up on it, nasty. It's not good. Even the pool, the bottom of the pool is like scraping. Like, it's not brushed, it's not clean. Like, there's no maintenance done. And like I said in my previous vlog, nobody can make me feel no type of way for going back to places that I've been, because I'm used to those places. Like, if I'm paying money, I want good customer service. I want good food. I want people to be, attentive, engaging. This hotel, boring as hell. They got all of these signs around talking about they doing this on this night, this and that. They ain't do nothing. I honestly give them Morgan like a 5, and that's only because it was a way. But when you get up on it,